Hey everybody, welcome into this new video. In this tutorial, we've already talked about the Asana, how to use Asana, a very basic tools, a very basic tutorial. But in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you 5 workflows that for me, I can consider as if they were my top 5 because it helped me a lot with different projects. Now, if you want to check it out, the trial mode of Asana, just in case that you don't have an account already, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description so you can see if the platform of Asana actually works for you. And if not, well, be my guest, but there you already have the 30 days left, so let's dig into it. The first workflow that I'm going to be showing you, it's called the Discovery Creative Production. And this one, I must say that this is really easy to use because I've already worked with, let's say, productions of creating some merged lives, streaming services, let's say some music videos, spots, TV spots, and the board that I was actually created here. Here, as you can see, we do have the overview instructions. We have the intake for creative pieces, the pre-production, the production, and the publish. And of course, we do have the post-production. For those of you guys who does not know what does the pre-production, production, and post-production is, well, basically, the pre-production is just like the introduction part, where you are just creating this. Let's say that this first stage where you are just starting to gathering all the things. So we're speaking about, let's see, for example, like a music video or like a short film. What you want to do is to gather all the crew members, right? All the crew members, and then you want to set up a budget. You want to let's say to find locations or sets for your filming stuff, right? So now here you want to create some product, design a product. So production, design. You want to have already like a script already created. You want to have everything already created here. Now into the production, we do have like the process of making this happening. So here, let's say that you've already created like the days, the filming days, the shooting days, for example, the shooting days, let's say 1 out of 5 in total. How much is going to be taking, who's going to make the music, the score, who's going to edit this stuff. And in the post production, we do have the editing tool where you can just edit everything that we just created, have a publishing our final project. So speaking about the Discovery Creative Production, is really easy to use that, and all of these workflows have the great tool that you can choose different ways to view your management projects. For example, I'm seeing this as a board. You guys know that I love the board view because if I have something that I can change from one place into another one, let's say for example the script is just like an instruction or like an idea and we haven't even started yet, so I can just drag and drop this task in here. So I want to have this already set it up by the 20th of December, and here I want to input a comment. So let's say for example be on time, or send it to me on a PDF. So I can choose to comment, and here into the collaborators I can add people into this specific task. So I can see this as a board. I love this board, but if you want to see this as a list, go into list. We do have everything here. We want to see as a timeline, for example, everything is going to be looking like this little examples. So here's the due dates and all that. You can just once again drag and drop, click in here, and you can, let's say I want to start from yesterday. I should start actually from yesterday. I want to see like a calendar. So there are different ways that we can see our workflow, and we do have of course this option, which I think is really great. Now another great workflow that I can show you is the agency collaboration. Now I am not an influencer, but I've worked with a lot of influencers, and those guys are required to make collaborations like from anywhere. So Speaking about this AEC collaboration workflow, this is really easy and it's really great to work with because we do have the upcoming work. We do know what is the work in progress, what are we planning, and what are the let's say, for example, work in progress that we already editing. So here I'm going to hit into add section, going to hit into editing. These workflows are not like the 100% accurate for my work, but I think it works a lot. We do have the product launches if you are like an e-commerce or you are just starting to launch a new product in your socials. So once again, I'm going to be showing you as a board so you can understand that we have the queue number 1, the queue number 2, the queue number 3, the user community launch, the speed engagement, new mobile applications. So if you're actually starting to work into in a specific field and you actually don't know how to pre-product, how to manage yourself, using some workflows that Asana has to offer to us is going to be helping us a lot to let's say move step by step and reach goal by goal. Now here I have the meeting agenda. Here into the meeting agenda, I do love to say that here it was really useful because what the workflow of Asana has was the action items, the completed agenda topics, the reference, and you can just go on and on. Now since we are using templates or workflow, you can add some more sections. You don't have to just marry to what you ever have in here. And lastly, what I can show you is the cross-multifunctional project plan. Now this one is going to be helping you a lot if you are like in the financial marketing research area. So once again, I'm going to hit into board so you can understand this a little bit better. Now here we do have milestones. This one does not appear into the other workflows, but like milestones are like small goals. They can help you to reach like the main target or the main goal of your project. So if I go into the, let's say, calendar, I can see that my tasks are now being organized in a way what comes after and what comes before. And boom, I can just add the subtask and add some collaborators. So as you can see, those workflows are not perfect, but are really great to start working into Asana. Now, if you want to check it out, where do you can find these workflows? Go into your team. Let's say that you don't have a team, so create a new team. Let's say that this is designed team, right? So this is a team. Hit in members, you can add your members, go into create your team. So in here, if I want to create my first workflow, I need to go into my teams, go into this dot and select the option that says use a template. So here into use a template, I want to go into custom Asana curated. So here into Asana curated, I'm going to be seeing all the templates that I can use totally for free. So I have cross team planning, I have ticket tracking, I have meeting agenda, product sales. I do have a lot of fields to cover. So depending on the needs that I wanted to see into this template, I'm going to be choosing one option. So for example, I want to hire someone else. I do have the new hire preparation. If I love what I'm seeing in here, I just need to hit into use template. Now this one has integrated with Zendesk, Slack, Gmail add-on. This is going to be helping us a lot to connect with this other application, so we don't have to look for that into other tabs, to other websites. So everything is inside Asana. So now that you guys know how to use the workflows, how to look for the workflows, and how to edit your workflows, then I think that you are ready to organize your own project. So hopefully guys, this was a very useful video for you. But don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more about this great Asana application. Thank you once again for watching this video. Good luck with your projects, and I'll see you on the next one.